I'm Julia and welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. Over the next few weeks, I want to share with you some of my favorite recipes. They are amazing, delicious, and highly nutritious. And today, I want to show you the Kuvings Blender. It's all new and it's very exciting. And we have a really simple and highly nutritious recipe for you. It's my banana strawberry smoothie, and it's really good for you, but it tastes heavenly. And the ingredients, well, they couldn't be simpler. We have got a punnet, 250 grams of strawberries, a frozen banana, and then of course, half a cup of milk of your choice. Bananas are a really great breakfast food. Why? Because they actually increase blood flow in the morning. Strawberries, well, they're really good for the heart. They taste delicious and they're low in sugar. Bonus. Today I'm going to use the all-new Kuvings SV500 high-speed vacuum blender. Now the beauty of this blender really is the quietness. Thanks to its rhythmic blades, it actually does operate at an exceptionally low noise level. The key to remember that the vacuum technology really does preserve all of the goodness and the flavour of the raw fruit and vegetables you're putting in, so you're not losing any of the goodness. And you really will see the difference in the texture and the flavour. Okay, let's get started. Look at that colour. Wow, beautiful. Taste test time. Oh, that really is heavenly. You have got to try this one. Remember, it always tastes better with a Kuvings.
Kuvings.